Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Cloud Institution. Today in this video we are going to see about real-time interview question on EC2 login. Okay, so the question for today is that can I connect to an EC2 instance which I've created with the proceed without key pair option. Okay, for example, we have an option. Okay, so as you know that we need we need a EC2 instance to be having the that key pair. Okay, so we have a two key pairs. One is PEM dot, another one is PPK. Okay, so these two key pairs should be available. Then only we should be able to connect to this machine in any ways. Okay, so the question the interviewer may ask you is that can I connect to an EC2 instance which I've created with the proceed without queue option? Okay, is there any other way? First of all, let's see if how to create the instance, so with the option proceed without key pair. Okay, so let's go back to our instance, so our region again. Okay, so now let's launch instance. Okay, so I'm just giving cloud institution again. Okay, cloud institution is my instance name. So now if you can come all the way down. Okay, so there is the key pair option will be there. Okay, so what we are having is that there is an option called proceed without a key pair. Okay, so and also you can select this one, right? So also if you can click on create new key pair. Okay, yeah, I think it's not showing here. So for example, if you don't select anything over here by default. Okay, for example, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to refresh it again. I'm going to go to the same option. So I'm going here, the key pair login. I'm not selecting anything. Okay, I'm not doing anything over here, and I'm just giving a name, that cloud institution. Okay, so if you can do this one, it will give you an option. So as you can see here, now I'm allowing SSH traffic from anywhere. Okay, now if you can do launch instance, it should automatically, so the prompt me saying that create a new key pair or proceed without a key pair. Okay, so for example, if I do proceed without a key pair, it is not going to ask me anything. Okay, so now the question is, if I can launch my instance without a key pair, the proceed without a key pair option, so will I be able to connect it? Okay, so let's see the question, let's see the answer. Okay, so now I've created it. So the answer for this question should be yes, you should be able to connect it. Okay, but let's see the answer now, right? The answer is going to be yes, you can connect only with EC2 instance connect option. Okay, so what is EC2 instance connect option? Okay, let's go back here to our console. Okay, so now the instance is ready running. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this one. I'm not going to SSH from my terminal or something like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on connect here. Okay, so just make sure that so you have SSH is enabled in your security groups. Okay, so that is mandatory. Now I'm going to do a SSH instance connect options. As you can see here, EC2 instance connect. Okay, so not SSH is EC2 instance connect option. Okay, so now I'm going to give connect. See, I'm able to connect to this machine, with my EC2 instance connect option. But what happens is that, so generally it is not recommended, right? So it is not recommended even though we wanted to create the instance without a key pair, but that AWS itself is suggest me that so that without creating virtual machine without a key pair is not recommended. But so you don't need the key pair to be available in your machine to be able to connect using the EC2 instance connect. Okay, but you can never be able to connect this EC2 instance with SSH again. Okay, because SSH the root authentication is not enabled. Same way the the SSH, if you don't have private key, so the PEM key, so to be attached to this instance, so whenever you're creating, you will never be able to connect to this instance again. Okay, so this is the answer. As you can see here, okay, you can connect only with the EC2 instance connect. Okay, hope you understand this question. Okay, so this is really a real-time questions, right? Like, so if you understand these concepts, it will be really helpful for you. Okay, and that's it from this video, and thank you so much for watching. and stay tuned for next videos. Okay, if you didn't like and subscribe, please do it, and see you on next videos. Okay, thank you.